Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart again. I got the Monster Mutt Rottweiler with the red tires. Monster Jam, guys. Series 36. Monster Jam. All I need for this case is a Ghost Crew Blue Thunder, Earthshaker, and Fastro Van. That's all I need. Let's say I'm not getting Hot Warrior because I'm not getting variants no more because it's just way too much money to be spent. There is packaging that we all know. I love this line, everybody. Alright, let's go and open this. Alright, here's the Monster Mutt. Let's look at those red tires. There's a Rottweiler body. Black rims and beadlocks, red roll cage, red tires, the ears down. Monster Mutt Dalmatians like them. I have to get it too. I haven't found out yet though. Monster Mutt Rottweiler, black undercarriage. The tongue of the month. Oh no, this doesn't have a tongue, I forgot. Little tail. So that's all I got, guys. I have one more truck to unbox. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. I got one more to go. Peace out.